In this video, let me show you which is better, Zen Coder or Cursor. Zen Coder and Cursor serve different purposes, so choosing the better one depends on your needs. Zen Coder is a cloud-based video encoding platform used mainly by media companies to convert videos into a web-optimized format. It's scalable, developer-friendly, and supports adaptive streaming. However, it's not beginner-friendly, only useful for video tasks and can be costly for smaller teams. Cursor, on the other hand, is an AI-powered code editor that uses models like GPT-4 to help developers rewrite, debug, and understand code more efficiently. It boosts productivity with intelligent suggestion and modern interface. Though it's still maturing and may lack features found in more established editors, it's also limited to coding tests and may raise privacy concerns in regulated environments. In short, use Zen Coder if you work with video content, choose Cursor if you're a developer looking to enhance your workflow with AI. Each tool is better in its own domain, and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.